Welcome to English class. Opposite words. Part 2. Safe. Dangerous. This park is safe, but the road is dangerous. Cheap. Expensive. This car is cheap, but that one is expensive. Friendly. Hostile. The dog is friendly, but the cat is hostile. Healthy. Sick. He feels healthy, but she looks sick. Sharp. Blunt. The knife is sharp, but the scissors are blunt. Clear. Foggy. The sky is clear, but the road is foggy. Warm. Cool. The weather is warm, but the breeze is cool. Dry. Wet. My shirt is dry, but my pants are wet. Alive. Dead. The plant is alive, but the flower is dead. Smart. Foolish. She is smart, but her decision was foolish. Kind. Cruel. The teacher is kind, but the principal is cruel. Wide. Narrow. The street is wide, but the alley is narrow. Noisy. Quiet. The classroom is noisy, but the library is quiet. Smooth. Rough. The table is smooth, but the rock is rough. Clean. Messy. The living room is clean, but the kitchen is messy. Polite. Rude. He is polite, but his brother is rude. Young. Old. The boy is young, but the man is old. Hardworking. Lazy. He is very hardworking, but his brother is lazy. Brave. Afraid. He is brave, but his friend is afraid. Push. Pull. You can push the door, but you need to pull it to open. Thank you for watching.